Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the mirror now. First, make sure both the LG TV and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi so they can see each other. Once done, open the TV settings and enable Screen Share or Device Connector. This advertises the TV to other devices. On your phone, open the casting feature, Screencast, Smart View, or AirPlay depending on model, and allow network permissions. Do this immediately. It establishes the basic connection, so your device can discover the TV. Now connect. On your phone, choose the LG TV name from the cast list. Discovery can take a few seconds, so be patient. Once you tap the TV, the devices negotiate a secure session. You may see a PIN on the TV that you must enter on the phone or accept a pairing prompt. Do that to complete the link. After connected, check orientation and aspect ratio and pick audio output so the picture and sound match your expectations. This keeps streaming stable and crisp. Finish up by stopping the mirror from your phone's cast control or the TV's screen share menu when you're done. If you notice lag, reduce playback quality or move the phone and TV closer to the Wi-Fi router. Interference hurts streaming. If connection fails, reboot both devices, temporarily disable any VPN or mobile hotspot, and try Discovery again. This clears stale network sessions and often resolves pairing issues. Keep that reboot tip in mind. It's the fastest fix for most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.